back to my channel. Today is the beginning of wedding week. I'm planning on uploading every day of this week, which but our first video is today, and this is my 100th video on this channel, and I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm going to try and upload every day leading up to my wedding. That's kind of crazy because I'm filming them all this week. But tomorrow we're going to have a video of my DIY flower petals, dried flower petals, and then I'll show you the little flower girl baskets with that. And then, yeah, we're getting into it. Pretty much every day is going to be like almost like a little vlog, because I haven't planned it out yet. I just thought of this idea while I was doing my makeup, and I'm like, yeah, I'm going to do it because I need something as an outlet to get me through this week because I'm a little stressed. But yeah, so today's video is going to be my seating chart. But yeah, I'm so excited for you guys to watch this video. I got my mirror off of Facebook Marketplace. I paid $100 for it, and then I also I'm using the Cricut with removable vinyl, and I had the wax seals. You can see where I got those in my invitation video, but they are a local, or not local, but they're a Canadian small-owned business, and we already pressed them, so we just are going to use these little dots that you can get in the, they're called dots, you can get them in the scrapbooking section to put on the mirror with the little papers with everyone's seating information. So, without further ado, because it's been 2 minutes, let's get into this video. I forgot to film the Cricut cutting, but these letters are from Canva, and I just printed them out on the Cricut with removable vinyl, and then I put the transfer tape on, and then I did it individually. So I had a 12 by 12 Oracle removable vinyl sheet, and then I just cut it to the sizes it needed on from what the Cricut said. So that's why they're not all in one piece. But yeah, so that is all of the pieces. So I now just need to transfer them over to the mirror. Okay, just ignore the background. I'm not gonna zoom in because of names and stuff, but this is our scene chart. This is our laundry room right now. We're folding laundry in here, so that's why it's a mess. But yeah, that's the scene chart. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I had a lot of fun making it. Thank you so much for all the support. We're almost at 300 subscribers. We're like 2 away, which is awesome. But yeah, if you want to subscribe, don't forget to subscribe down below. Give me a like. And if you have any questions about my seating chart DIY, let me know in the comments down below. But thank you guys so much for watching and all of your support. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.